left foot in front. Now move your right foot. Right foot forward.
Go, Alea, go.
Laura, rest your head on your sister's bum.
You're running into your sister. Somebody else is getting jealous over here.
Don't get in front.
It's a baby train. Look at Alea. Go, 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 Alea. You're about ready to... You're about ready to hop away, huh? And crawling's coming very soon. Show her how it's done, Mimi. Show her how to crawl. Yeah.
Not scoot, crawl like a dog. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, Mimi, silly girl. She won't have that.
Uh-oh.
She get kicked in the noggin. Kicked in the noggin. Won't you get up on your hands and knees too? Get up on your hands and knees too. That's a slightly more bovine child.
Go, Alea, go. Okay, go stand by Alea. Over by the couch. Go sit by her. Let's see if she'll do it. She's up. Good job, baby. Are you going to get up too, Laura? No. Superman's. Daddy's helping. Now the cat's getting in on the action. Go away, kitty. Hi. 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 Smiles. Smiles. Camera hog.